Pick up your markers, let's start the fun. Crafty Kids Chronicles has just begun. Cut, glue, and craft with flair. Join us today, we'll take you there. So come along, it's time to create. With Crafty Kids, it's going to be great.
Hey guys, today we're making 2 adorable holiday ornaments. These are super easy to make and perfect for adding a handmade touch to your Christmas tree. Stick around to find out how to do this. We're starting with the Snowman Ornament. You'll need a glue gun and some glue sticks along with these other items. The first thing you want to do is remove the tag from your ornament and then take off the top. Once the top's removed from your ornament, you can start filling them with your cotton balls. If you don't have cotton balls, you can always use pom-poms or another white material to fill the ornament. Next, place the top back on, and now you're ready to add your face to your ornament. Use your hot glue gun to attach your eyes to your ornament. Next, take orange pipe cleaner and cut it to size, and then form your nose that you want for your snowman. This is supposed to resemble a carrot nose. Attach the nose to the ornament using glue. For the smile, you can glue on tiny buttons, or you can always use Sharpie to draw your smile as well. For the hat, I'm using a toilet paper roll cut in half, and then I'm coloring it black. You can always color it with marker or crayon, or if you have paint, you can use that as well. Next, I'm trimming the bottom edge of the roll to create a fun frill for my hat. Once your hat is done, place it on top of the ornament. It fits perfectly and adds a little bit of character to your snowman. Lastly, you're going to attach a ribbon to the top of the ornament so it's ready to hang. Here's the finished snowman ornament. I think it turned out so cute. Now it's time to make Rudolph. You'll need a glue gun and some glue sticks again, along with these other items. Take another clear plastic ornament and remove the tag and remove the top as well. Next, fill your ornament with some brown paper. I used some brown craft paper that I had, but you're welcome to use any brown materials that you have on hand. Once your ornament is filled, then put the top back on. Using glue, attach your googly eyes to your ornament. Next, for Rudolph's famous red nose, you're going to use a red button or a pom-pom and glue it to the center of the ornament. Lastly, you're going to draw Rudolph's smile. I used a Sharpie for this. Next, you're going to take brown pipe cleaners and shape them into antlers and attach them to the top of the ornament. Just like the snowman ornament, you're going to finish off your ornament by tying a ribbon to the top so it's ready to hang. Don't forget to add ears to your Rudolph ornament by cutting a brown pipe cleaner in half and shaping them into ears. Once you're done shaping your ears, you're going to attach them near the antlers on the ornament. Here's our finished Rudolph ornament. And that's it! 2 festive and fun ornaments you can make at home. These ornaments are perfect for family crafting or gifting to a loved one this holiday season. Thanks so much for watching and happy holidays!